A South African collection of plants would not be complete without the baboon flower, also known as Babiana. In South Africa, the baboons actually dig up the bulbs and eat them just like we would walnuts or any other kind of nut. And they're just a beautiful plant. They're everywhere in South Africa. They grow up on the hillsides. They're wild on the side of the road. They're everywhere. And they're just an easy plant to grow in America as well. And the bulbs are just really simple. They're like a little Hershey's Kiss candy. The tip goes up about 3 inches deep, but at least 3 in a triangle or more. They like to be crowded. They'll grow and bloom every summer. And they come in multiple colors. So we sell a mixed variety. So you get a little bit of everything. You get the hot pinks, the whites, the yellows. And they're just a beautiful addition to your South African garden. And it would not be complete without the Babiana. I love it. It's cuter than not, and it belongs in your South African garden. Next, we'll talk about Gladiolus murielii.